Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I am going to guide you on how to clear autofill on Chrome. For that, make sure you open your Google Chrome at the first. Now, it is a very simple step. At this home page, at the top right, you can see this three dot icon. You need to click over here. And here you can see numerous options. You need to go on settings. And once again, you will be led to this kind of interface. And at the left side, again, you can see numerous options. You need to go on autofill and passwords. After that, the three options will be provided: Google Password Manager, payment methods, and addresses and more. Now you need to go it one by one. Firstly, you need to go on Google Password Manager and you will be led to this kind of interface, and here you can see list of your applications. And at the left side, you can simply click on settings, and here you can simply toggle up this button to turn off or clear your autofill. Likewise, you need to do the same process on your payment methods. You need to simply toggle up this button in order to clear the autofill. After you are done, you need to simply go back and do the same process to the addresses and more. And this will lead to clear your autofills on Google Chrome. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.